If you've been seeing all these people talking about making money with AI, okay, but where do I start? This video is literally for you. I'm breaking down the exact step-by-step process to start making money online using AI. It does not matter what niche you choose and if you do not have a niche yet. By the end of this video, you would know how to pick your niche using AI, what methods actually work, and the exact tools to start making real money. If you're new here on this channel, I share ways how to make money online using what you already have. So let's get into it. Let's be real, AI has completely changed the game for making money online. Here's what I mean. You no longer need to have all these crazy skills or spend months learning how to do things. AI can literally do all the heavy lifting for you. Whether you want to create digital products, do affiliate marketing, offer services, or even create content, AI can help you do all of this faster and better than trying to do it on your own. And here is the best part. You do not need a massive following. You don't even need thousands of dollars to start. You just need to know the right process, and that's exactly what I am showing you today. So we're going to use AI to find your niche, how to choose the best money-making method for you, and the exact steps to get started and actually get paid. This will work no matter what niche you end up choosing. Okay, first thing first, if you do not know what niche to focus on, we're going to use AI right now to figure that out. Open up ChatGPT or Claude. They both have free versions. You can choose which one you want to use. I'm going to give you the exact prompt to use. Type this: I want to make money online, but I am not sure what niche to choose. Ask me 5 questions about my interests, skills, and goals to help me find the perfect niche for making money in 2026. Let the AI ask you questions and answer them honestly. When answering AI question, I decided to answer them by using the numbers of the question. After you answer the question, follow up with, based on my answers, give me 3 specific niche I should consider with reasons why each would work for me. Also, tell me the AI is going to give you personalized niche ideas based on your situation. This is so much better than guessing or copying what someone else is doing. Pick the one that excites you the most, the lowest barrier to entry, if you just want to get started fast. Now that you have your niche, we need to figure out how you're going to make money in that niche. There are a few legit ways, and AI is going to help you pick the best one. Go back to your AI chat and type, I've chosen, and put your niche. In my case, I chose productivity and digital planning. What are the top 3 ways I can make money online in this niche as a complete beginner? Rank them by how quickly I can start making money. Here is my advice. For most beginners, digital products or affiliate marketing are the fastest ways to start. You don't need to wait for brand deals or build a huge audience first, but pick the method that makes most sense for your niche. Ask AI which of these methods would work best for someone with no audience yet. Before you create anything, we need to make sure that people actually want what you are planning to sell. This step is so important and most people skip it. If you're doing digital products, go to Etsy or Creative Market and search, put your niche name, and after your niche name, add the word templates. Look at what's already selling and check out the reviews and see what people are buying. This will be your proof that there's a market. Now go back to AI and type, I'm creating, and put your product type. In my case, I am going to choose digital products. And put your niche name. What is the top 10 features or elements I should include to make sure it's valuable and people will want to buy it? The AI will give you a complete breakdown of what to include. Save this. This is your blueprint. Validation is the key, so don't skip this step. All right, now we're actually creating the thing you're going to sell or promote. For a digital product, use AI to outline your product. Include page title and what content should be on each page. Then use Canva to design it. Search for templates related to your product type, customize them, and use the outline AI gave you. Canva has free templates for planners, workbooks, guides, and mainly everything. For affiliate marketing, ask AI, help me create a content plan for promoting. Add your product product, product name, and then put your niche audience. Then use AI to actually help you write the content. You could create blog posts or social media content for whatever platform you are using. For services, you can ask AI, what service can I offer? And you put your niche using AI tools, suggestions, descriptions with price suggestions. And then add, give me 10 content ideas that would naturally lead to sales without being pushy. Then use AI to actually deliver those services faster. The key here is to let AI do the heavy lifting for the creation so you can focus on making it high quality and valuable. Now you need somewhere to actually sell or promote your offer. For digital products, Etsy is the easiest because they have built-in traffic. If you are building a social media presence, you can use StanStore or Gumroad. You will create your listing and use AI to write your product description and title. You will ask AI, write a compelling Etsy product description for, and you add your product that includes SEO keywords and explains the benefits clearly. For affiliate marketing, sign up for an affiliate program. I recommend Amazon Associate Program. Create a simple landing page using Beacon or StanStore, and then start creating content that links to your affiliate product. For services, list them on Fiverr or Upwork to start getting clients. The setup part should take you a few hours max. Don't overthink it. Always remember, you can always improve things later. So it's not the end of the world. Okay, so you created your offer and you have set up where to sell. Now, how do you actually get people to buy? Here's the truth. Your first sale probably won't come from going viral or having a huge following. It's going to come from being strategic. Use AI to help you with marketing. Ask, give me 10 low-cost ways to promote mine. Then add your product, your service, or your affiliate offer. 2, and you put your target audience in 2026. Focus on methods that don't require a large following. Some things that actually work is Pinterest if you are selling digital product. It's like Google for product. TikTok and Instagram Reel, showing the value of what you offer. Answering questions in your niche, Facebook groups or Reddit. And running small Pinterest and TikTok ads with a $5 through $10 budget to test. The key is consistency. Post content regularly, optimize your listing with good keywords, and keep creating valuable stuff that makes people want to buy. Use AI to create your content calendar if you need a content calendar. You ask AI, create a 30-day content calendar for promoting mine, and you'll put your offer on and you put the platform you want to promote on, and then include specific ideas and the best time to post. Once you make that first sale, what you will, if you follow these steps, it's time to scale up. You will go back to AI and ask AI, I just made my first sale and you'll put your offer. What should my next 3 steps be to scale this into a consistent income? Usually this means creating more content, expanding to other platforms, testing different price point, building an email list to sell to them directly, and creating bundles or upsell. So now you know the complete process, how to find your niche, choose your method, and actually start making money with AI. I'm showing you the exact strategy and I'm breaking down the whole system step by step. Click here to watch that video next. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you do not miss any further uploads of me teaching you ways to make money online.